Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. And this video is going to be a little bit different than videos I normally do. Normally we talk about a lot of tech, but today we're going to talk about our hearts and how we can help others in our community every single day. So I put together a list of items and things that I will be posting over the next couple of days and also underneath this video as to a framework that you can use to help the homeless in your community. It's at least 3 days a week, guys, to get you guys involved. So right now what I have here so far, Food Fridays, and that's when we're going to go out and try and make sure in our encounters, when we go shopping or we go out on an adventure on our own, that we are somehow providing access to meals to individuals who are homeless. So we're going to call that Food Friday. Yes, Food Friday is what we're going to focus on. Then we have Warmth Wednesday. Warmth Wednesday is when you're going to go through your closet, well, before Wednesday, and you're going to look for items that you can donate to your local shelters. Maybe you can get involved with your church, your HOA, your family, your friends, whatever the case it may be. Start collecting these items so that you'll be able to donate them monthly, because we're going to be coming up on the winter months. A lot of the things that I'm focused on right now, I'm trying to also get way ahead of the holiday season, so we can start collecting food, we can start collecting items. Of course, you guys know, if you follow me, you hear me talk about these drawstring backpacks. You can order these, or you can just use Ziploc bags. You can get the large Ziploc bags and you can fill them with needed items that you can have in your car. So when you're out on the road and you run into someone or you see someone holding up a sign asking for help, you can just hand them one of those bags, guys. You can fill it with toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, hand sanitizer, pens, pencils, underwear, socks. Socks are going to always be in high demand. So all you can do, guys, to help the community, to help these people in ways that will encourage them to keep moving forward, and then they will be in a position to also pay it forward. So it's an ongoing thing. Think about it like the ripple in the pond, guys. Story Sundays. So Story Sundays will give us the opportunity for you guys to share your stories with the community. In many cases, I will highlight your stories if you reach out to me in advance. And if you have a little bit of video or a couple of photos, I will show those on my live stream. I will post those on my social media. The more we post, the more we share, the more engagement we'll get, the more people will become empowered to want to help the community. Hashtag help wherever you are. One small act. Homeless Help Challenge. So I challenge you all to get involved, guys, and help the people in your community. Peace. I'm out.